In this tutorial, we will see that how to make AI stickers by using Filmora. This one is 3D sticker. This is generated as sketch. It is vector sticker. This one is crystal type. And last type is illustration sticker. So let's start the tutorial. Firstly, we will watch Creator Hub, which is specially introduced by Filmora for the creators. For it, click here. Here, you may learn by watching these videos, which is created by different creators all over the world. You can easily make impressive and captivating videos after learning these Filmora tutorials. For playing this tutorial, simply click on it. Then play it from here.
Text in movies isn't just a...
So, now we will move to our main topic. This is the interface of Filmora editing software. Now, click here on Stickers section. Here, so many new and trending stickers are introduced you may use in your project. Now, click here on AI sticker. Now write here your sticker prompt which you want to generate. For example, we are writing here a cute baby elephant. And from here, you may choose your sticker type. For now we will go with 3D one and then click generate button. It will take a couple of seconds. So this is the result and it created very nice stickers. Now download this sticker, then drag and drop it to the timeline. Here you can observe that the sticker quality is too good. You can use it where you want. And you may also save this stickers to your device. Now we will try it as sketch mode. Here you can see that how beautifully generated in sketch. Similarly, we will try it in all mode. So watch it. This sticker is in vector mode. Now, we will try in crystal mode. And last one is illustration. Overall, we have noticed that Filmora AI stickers is enhanced resources, in which it providing more options and catering to diverse creative needs.